drawn to environmental science because I consider myself to be a very outdoorsy person. I love hiking, camping, birding. They pretty much take up all of my free time. And I was very interested in learning about climate and how climate change will continue to affect the population. I decided to apply to become a field station researcher. I actually specifically sought out this program because I thought that it was very cool to have hands-on experience doing some forest science. The major project that we're working on this summer here at the field station is a woody census and a herbaceous and sapling survey in Temple Forest Observatory. The goal of the project this summer is to research the impact of a tornado on the forest and the recovery of the forest. My independent research project this summer is to research the recruitment of tree species within Temple Forest Observatory post the 2021 tornado. I will be working with the data that shows diversity and abundance of adult trees and the seedling data that we will be collecting this summer. The benefit of being able to do research here at the Ambler Field Station is definitely the hands-on experience. We're able to deploy the experiments, collect the data ourselves, and then work with that data to make our independent research projects.